Namaste. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, my friend suggested me to speak a bit louder to be audible to the viewers properly. So, I'm trying to rectify it in this video. And today, we are going to continue our exploration of space and universe. So, without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with some basic information about space. The baseline temperature in space is 2.7 Kelvin. And for my friends who are not familiar with the term Kelvin, let me make them so. Kelvin is the international system of unit to measure temperature, or simply, it is the SI unit to measure temperature, and it is named after Lord Kelvin. It is equivalent to 273 plus the temperature in degrees Celsius, and this system has its own importance, which we will talk about some other day. And how do we know this temperature? It is based on the background radiation from the Big Bang. Now, let's talk about the laws that are made for space exploration. A treaty was signed in 1967 by the United Nations General Assembly, recognized as the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. The treaty prevents any claims of national sovereignty and allows all the states to freely explore outer space. Have you guys ever wondered that why we test the explosion of nuclear weapons on Earth even when we have so much space outside the Earth? Well, that's because of this treaty. It prohibits the placing of nuclear weapons in space, it limits the use of the moon and all other celestial bodies to peaceful purposes only. I think it's time to have a brief discussion over the age factor of our universe. We humans only live up to 80 to 100 years if lucky. Or so, many even die before that. This time period is so small and is nothing to be comparable with the age of our universe. Our universe is 13.7 billion years old, and if we compress this time period to just 1 year, then I would say happy birthday to you, your mother, and also her mother, and to the entire humans race, because humans are born just 14 seconds ago. We are nothing in front of this immense universe, and this 1 year calendar is called the cosmic calendar. Space is total vacuum. In outer space, there is nearly total absence of gas molecules. On Earth, the atmosphere applies pressure on our body from all directions. With no external pressure in space, the air within humans' lungs would immediately rush out into the vacuum. This would result in unconsciousness in under 10 seconds. Dissolved gases in the body fluids would expand, causing the skin to stretch like a pumped balloon. Well, this kind of situation is funny to think but horrible to feel. Space is fun but deadly too. As of 2020, there have been 15 astronaut and 4 cosmonaut fatalities during spaceflight. Astronauts have also died while training for space missions, such as the Apollo 1 launch pet fire, which killed an entire crew of 3. There have also been some non-astronaut fatalities during spaceflight related activities. I think that's all for today. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and you can ask me anything.